Liana, where are we today?
We're at Eartham, Eartham Woods for the bluebells. It's my favourite place to come and look at bluebells. We've just tried to park by the pub, which is always a bit of a challenge, but we got there.
So, clouds above, parts of it are white and blue, others are a bit grey.
Yeah.
But yeah, so far, at the start of the walk, I'll give you a quick view of what it looks like.
It's so green and beautiful.
So we've just come across a little folly that's just down the path. There's some tarpaulin in there. First I thought it was a bed, so I thought someone was kipping in there, but I don't think it's anybody's bedroom. So we're inside the folly now, and a good look at the windows. So how long ago was it that you last had a picture in here?
Oh, probably about 5 years ago, 6 years ago. Yeah, I had a headshot and I had long hair then.
So, part of the way to the woods and we get absolutely soaking because of a sudden downpour. Still raining now, but not quite as bad as it was.
I'm wet again. Oh dear. You can go up that route or you can go up that route. I'm waiting for you to look at the map. Some of them silver birch. Well, they are silver birch, aren't they?
Yeah.
He just continues as we go down the hill. Lovely bird song.
A bit well, not wildlife, farm life.
Yeah.
And that is a fantastic view over there, isn't it?
It is. Really beautiful. So not only do the bluebells, you have a beautiful walk that's lovely on its own, even when the bluebells aren't there.
So how have you enjoyed the walk so far?
Well, I'm a bit of a drowned rat, as you can see, but the bluebells are absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. And I think we're going to come back on a dry day, aren't we? And
Yeah.
see it when you got sun, when the trees are dry as well, so that the colours can contrast a bit better.
But you don't mind being a bit soggy?
No, I don't mind at all. It's not cold, is it? It's all right.